In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a frame in Canva. If you've ever tried to mirror a frame and couldn't find the flip controls, you're not alone. In Canva, frames are treated as elements, and unlike photos or some shapes, they don't support a horizontal or vertical flip. The closest and officially supported way to change a frame's orientation is to rotate it. That's exactly what we'll do. And I'll walk you through how to get a clean, precise result. Start by selecting the frame on your canvas. Click directly on the edge of the frame so the bounding box appears. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline with the adjustment handles. This is important because clicking inside the frame can select the content instead, and we want to adjust the frame itself. With the frame selected, you'll also see a small rotate handle appear just outside one of the corners. That's the control we'll use. Now click and hold the rotate handle, then drag your mouse to rotate the frame. As you drag, Canva displays a small angle indicator and often snaps to common angles, helping you land on neat increments like 0, 90, and 180 degrees. Keep an eye on that on-screen guide to hit the exact orientation you want. If you're aiming for a subtle tilt, drag slowly for finer control. If you need a dramatic change, like turning it upside down, rotate to 180 degrees and release. For a switch from landscape to portrait orientation, rotate to 90 or 270 degrees. When you let go, the rotation is applied immediately. A couple of tips as you rotate: zoom in a bit if you're making fine adjustments, because it makes it easier to stop at a precise angle. If you overshoot, just click, hold, and drag back the other way. You can make as many small corrections as you need. Watch how the content inside the frame behaves as you rotate. The frame's rotation changes the overall orientation, while the fill stays within the frame's shape. If your design includes text or graphics nearby, use the on-canvas guides to visually align edges while you rotate, so everything looks intentional and balanced. And that's it. Because frames can't be mirrored, rotation is the supported method to change their direction. With a clean selection and a steady drag on the rotate handle, you can quickly dial in the exact orientation you need and keep your design looking sharp.